It's been almost a year now since I lost my studio, hence the reason for my inconsistent uploads. As a matter of fact, quite recently I had to stop uploads completely. Things got a little rough on my end. I'm not going to bore you with my stories. My video today is for people like me out there who work in places they consider not suitable enough to showcase their work. My video is for people who are just starting out their lives in the fashion industry with little or no help coming from anywhere. People who do not have much resources, who are just literally starting out their lives. My video is for people who are really good, who make beautiful designs every week but have difficulties getting reviews from their clients. In fact, let me dwell on this a little more. There is no sort of excuses I've not heard from my clients. I've heard something like, Kumi, I love my dress and I promise I'm going to send you pictures, and eventually they don't. I've heard something like, I'm going to send you my picture but don't post my face, find something to cover my face. That is even understandable. Please obey their wishes. I've also heard something like, oh my god, people were just complimenting my dress but I was everywhere, I couldn't stay calm enough to get someone to snap me. Oh my god, clients have no idea how much this breaks my heart. It's just so painful. I have made series of designs the world did not even get to see, and clients did not credit to me. You know, all of that is about to change. When you give me reviews, you do two things for me. Number one, you help me secure the next client. Imagine me pitching to you as my prospective client and I'm telling you, hi, my name is Kumi, I make corporate wears, I made this, I made that, and you ask for a picture of what I've done before and I'm showing you a style that trended in 2018 that I made. You will be prompted to ask, can I see your recent designs? If I don't have something to show, I appear unserious, right? Another thing you do aside helping me secure my next client is you help me make your next design get better. Okay, so when you send me review of your dress, when a client is looking at the overall beauty of the dress, I'm looking at what could get better. I know certain methods I use for the dress, so I'm looking at the back, I'm looking at how the methods turn out, so many things. And on one hand, I'm deciding, okay, I think I'm not going to use 1 inch for her back again, I think I'm going to use 1.5, I think I'm going to start using 2 inches. You know, I'm looking at how your next design can get better. So briefly today, I'm just going to be sharing with you how to change the background of your picture. Whether you walk under the rock, I don't even want to know how ugly you consider your workshop to be. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to change the background of your picture and you will be able to prompt AI to rock your designs for you without tampering with your styles. Like, your style is going to come out exactly the way you have posted it. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I'm going to show you how I went from this. This is where I snapped it, and this is what I made out of it. Can you see how beautiful they are? I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Can you see? And from this to this. As much as I don't want to pressure you, you would need mannequin to do these things. Open your ChatGPT. I expect you to have it on your phone. If you don't, please download it. So click the plus sign, then click the photos, then you select the picture you want to change the background. As for me, I am going to click on those two lines beside upgrade, which will in turn lead me to the chat history I have had with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on the chat of my choice and I'll continue my work. So I came back to this conversation because I made quite a number of plus size dresses and I want just a single face to model everything for me. That's why I came back to this conversation. Let me let you in on a big secret. You can only make 4 pictures in a day with ChatGPT, but there is a way you can make more than 4 pictures. You are simply going to upload 2 pictures at a time and you are going to tell ChatGPT to make a 2-in-1 pictures for you. Imagine making 4 2-in-1 pictures in a day. You would have made 8 what should normally take you 2 days to me if you were uploading it one by one. Let's get to the business of today. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click on the plus sign button, then on photos, then I'm going to select the pictures whose backgrounds I want to change. I will wait a little for the pictures to load. Now I can write my prompt. So I want the same character. Which character? The same character I've been using in this conversation. Hence the reason I came back to this conversation. I want the same character to wear this blouse on a knee length black skirt, on and on and on. So in my practices, I realized that to have an excellent result with ChatGPT, you have to be as detailed as possible. Don't leave anything to chances. Explain everything the way you want it, then end your prompt with don't alter my style, I want the sleeve as it is, blah blah blah. You understand? Yeah, so be as detailed as possible. I'm just going to go over what I wrote. I'm going to correct where necessary. I just thought to also write that the blouse be tucked in, and I will send. You just click the arrow by the right hand side. So let's head over to Pinterest to look for our background picture. I have a background picture. Actually, I just want to show you how to save pictures. I just got notified that my picture is ready, so let's go back. Let's see what we have. Woo! So I love my picture. Can you see? I'm just going to save sharp sharp. Yeah, so it's been saved. I just zoomed for you to see. Apparently my style was not tampered with. You know, you just need an avenue to showcase your work, not that you want to lie. You don't want to post your work in a way that it's not. So I have come back to my gallery. I want to crop the pictures. You know, we tricked ChatGPT, right? We made 2-in-1 pictures. What we should have uploaded twice, we did once. So we are going to crop the pictures so each of them can stand alone. So I'm going to crop the other side as well. So I'm going to save as copy. That helps me still maintain the original picture. I will head over to Pinterest and I'm going to type Nigerian tailor shop. Yeah, so let me click interior design. Just look around for pictures that you like. I have the one I want to use in my gallery already. I just want to show you that you could download pictures on Pinterest. So I'll just download any random picture. Click on those 3 dots beside save, then click download. That's how to download on Pinterest. Mind you, I have the one I want to use already. Come to CapCut. When you open CapCut, you click new project. When you click new project, it shows you video. Then you click on photos if you want to upload photos. So you select your preferred background. This is the background I like. Remove ending. It's not a must though, it's highly optional. Click overlay. Can you see? Then you click one of the pictures. You actually upload one at a time. So I'm going to move around to look for remove BG. So if you you will notice that I clicked on the picture below. That's where I want all my effects to take place. So I'm looking for remove BG, auto removal. Then we wait. Voila, can you see? Yeah, so the next thing I'm focused on is how to make this picture as realistic as possible. Imagine you hang an artwork on the wall. Can a lady with average height be taller than the artwork? So I don't want her head to touch the roof of the artwork. I'm just trying to see what it will look like in reality. So should I reduce? I think this is fine. This is okay. I'm going to back, click on the picture we just worked on, then I will look for adjust. I'm going to look for sharpen. Yeah, see sharpen. I will increase it to 60. So I will just know that I'm using 60 and I'll click that mark sign. You will notice the picture is sharper. So I'm going to click on the picture above, then I will look for duplicate. Can you see? I'll click on the picture above. Anything I do now will be taking effect on the background, so I've duplicated it. So if this is difficult for you, put it back, click that plus sign, look for the background picture again and re-upload. Click overlay. Let's click the second picture where she's facing the camera now. We are going to click on the picture below, the one we want to work on, and we are going to look for remove BG. auto removal. This is pretty fast. So I'm just going to, I don't want our head to touch the roof of the artwork. I want it realistic. Thank you for staying with me. We are almost done. I think this is okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on the picture below. Then I'm going to look for adjust. Then I'm going to select sharpen and I'm going to drag to 60, which is what we've been using. Then I'm going to click on that mark sign. If you use a free version of CapCut, just click on export and export your video right away. But if you use a pro version of CapCut, look to the top of your screen, click on AI Ultra HD, then drag it to 4K. I met a guy on TikTok about 6 to 7 months ago who helped me upgrade my CapCut to a pro version for just 1000 naira. I'm going to retrace my step and see if I could get his name, then share with you guys so you can chat him up if you are interested. I saw his advert actually, so I chatted him up and he helped me upgrade. I'm in my gallery now. I'm going to play the video we just downloaded from CapCut and I'm going to snap each of them. The tutorial has officially come to an end. At this point, this is one of my ready to wear collections, so I want my clients to be able to see the front and back view at once. So I'm going to combine the pictures like this. I think I like this frame. I'm just going to do a little bit of adjustment here and there and I'm going to save it. Let me try my hands on another frame and see if it catches my fantasy. This is not bad. I'm going to save it as well, so you can keep trying your hands on different frames. So guys, this is how I made all the images you're about to see. I am showcasing my work this year. If the dress is for a plus size, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to get me a plus size model. If it's for a medium size, I'm going to tell it to get me a medium size model. With this, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched to this extent, if you're about to like or leave me comments in the comment section, or even share it with a loved one whom you think will find this helpful, guess what, you're about to help me achieve my dream, which I do not take for granted. Thank you so much. Till I come your way in my next tutorial, where I'll be sharing with you other tips that could make your sewing experience an enjoyable one. Take care of yourself. Bye for now.